Hey everybody, this is the dashboard, and this time we're taking you out to the Yulee Cars and Coffee monthly meetup for June. And this is the grand tour. We're going to take you around, show you what was out there, talk about it a little bit. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you. Alright guys, we're out here at the Yulee Cars and Coffee monthly meetup for June, and we're going to take you on the grand tour. Got a pair of Volkswagens here. We got I think it's a Thing and a off-road Beetle, Mad Max Beetle, whatever you want to call it. Nice looking Mercury Cougar. Pretty cool old Plymouth. Not sure of the year, but it is nice. Got the old dashboard there. Yellow Jacket Challenger. Check out this SS Nova. And that thing is awesome. Of course, we attract all kinds at this event. Check out this old Buick. The gangster mobile, I call it. Pair of Dodges. Oh look, Trans Am for sale. He only wants $30,000 for it. Nice looking Corvette. Not sure the gray on yellow. Not a choice I'd have made. But hey, ooh, an OMG. Oh, and it's a hatchback too, it's not a coupe. Mustang, Corvette. Look at this, a McLaren. Don't see those very much. Not out here anyway. That's gonna about wrap it up for this grand tour. It's kind of slim. People been coming and going a lot today because it's hot. So yeah, that's gonna wrap it up. Oh, I forgot to get this old Nova up here. Or Malibu. It's a Malibu, not a Nova. I thought it was a Nova. And the little Miata beside it. But I'm gonna concentrate on that Malibu. I don't see those very often anymore. Anyway, that's going to wrap up this video, this grand tour of the Yulee Cars and Coffee monthly meetup. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you. Alright everybody, that's going to wrap up this video from the Yulee Cars and Coffee monthly meetup for June. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to drop us a like, a comment, share us around to all your car people and non-car people. We don't discriminate on this channel. And if you did like the video, help us out, drop a subscribe. You'll get first dibs on all our videos. They'll come right to you. We're trying to reach 500 subscribers to get our initial monetization goal, and any help you can provide would really be appreciated. Like I say, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share, and we'll keep them coming at you. Anyway, we'll see you guys on the next one.